Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Santander Savings Account, where we will walk you through the process of opening and managing a savings account with one of the leading banks in the world. To start with, let's understand what a savings account is. A savings account is a type of deposit account that allows you to save your money while earning interest on your balance. Santander offers a range of savings accounts that cater to different needs and goals, such as the Santander Everyday Savings Account and the Santander Fixed Rate Bond. The first step to opening a Santander savings account is to choose the type of account that suits you best. You can visit the Santander website or go to a local branch to explore the different options. Once you have selected the account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and employment details. After your account is open, you can manage it online or through the Santander mobile app. This allows you to check your balance, transfer money, and set up direct debits. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any transactions or changes to your account. One of the key benefits of a Santander savings account is that it allows you to earn interest on your balance. The interest rate will vary depending on the type of account you have in the current market conditions. You can find the current interest rates on the Santander website or by contacting the customer service team. To get the most out of your Santander savings account, it's a good idea to set a budget and stick to it. You should also consider setting up a regular savings plan, where you transfer a fixed amount of money into your account each month. This will help you build up your savings over time and achieve your long-term goals. In terms of security, Santander has a range of measures in place to protect your account and personal information. This includes encryption, firewalls, and secure login procedures. You should also make sure to keep your account details and password confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, if you have any questions or concerns about your Santander savings account, you can contact the customer service team for assistance. They are available 24/7 and can provide guidance on everything from account opening to managing your savings. By following these steps and tips, you can open and manage a Santander savings account with confidence. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the account. With a Santander savings account, you can start building up your savings and achieving your financial goals today.